If you are still cutting and connecting cables using this method, know that the result is not very good. First, if the insulation comes off, the cables can touch and cause a short circuit like this. Second, because the twist is very simple, it can easily come undone. Now, I will demonstrate a better method for cutting and connecting cables. For cutting, try to make the cuts long and short like this so that when we connect them, the cable connection will have minimal short circuits. Second, to achieve a really strong connection, you can split the cable strands like this, then just connect them. Twist one part, then twist the other part. Now, after that, we can twist both cable strands together again. Do the same for the other cable strand. Now, if it's like this, see, the result will be better and definitely stronger, my friend.